to another video! New gun in Fortnite. It's called the drum shotgun. So we're gonna roll. Yeah, we're gonna roll into solos. We're gonna try to win a game and try to drop some kills. You know, easy dubs. So let's get okay. So last game we didn't even get to use the gun. We could have. I had it in my possession, but I decided to drop it. So this game, we grabbed the gun, and we camped the whole game. That's my plan. We're doing that. That's my plan. We're camping whole game. Why are you asking me? Why should I camp the whole game? Simply because that guy's probably gonna land there and that's gonna scare me, so I'm just gonna like land over here. Actually, that's gonna scare me too. What the hell? Why is there so many people landing? Okay, so now, see, this is where I failed the random skin challenge. I failed it completely because there was a guy and it was impossible to get something. Yes! Yes! I love this game right now. They gave me the gun I needed to win. Oh, the people who doubted me said, "You can't win a game." Look at me now! My mission by the end of this year, I'm not sure if it's possible, but it's to get at least maybe 50 subs, or maybe if we're crazy enough, probably get 100. If you get 100, yo, Pizza Nation's goated. But like, it's my goal. Next year, if we get to 100 in 1 year, my next year goal is to get to 200 next year. Go tell all your friends. Try to get Pizza Place to 200 subs. 200. And I got minis now. Great. Okay. So I just say loot this camp. I am not gonna back out of that. So loot this camp. I'm in zone 2. So I think I have a place to camp too. Maybe. Oh, I do. I have a perfect place to camp. It's zone. Yeah! Wait. Yeah, it's in zone 2. Let's go. Okay. It's in zone for the boys. It's in zone, and then I can camp there. So you could, if you want, like, you guys could do it too. See, you guys trying to clutch up a game. Oh, another freaking bake pot. Lie to redeploy all day, buddies. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Nothing really, so. There's a chest over there, and I can't go over there because. Okay, so my plan is get to that thing. Get to that thing. And then go to a freaking super secret place that all you guys could go to if you guys are trying to win a game. That's in the ice area. Oh, next video, I know a method that you could get max mats. Yo, there's someone here. You could get max mats at the beginning of the game. Like, you can do it like extremely quick. All you need to do is like pick your teammate, and that's all you need. All you need is a teammate, and you're done. That's all you need, brothers. Pizza Nation. A teammate, and you could get max mats for days. You could get max mats. I'm not gonna tell you guys because I ruined the fun of the freaking video. Okay. Saw this on BCC trolling. Dun 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 Dun, 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 dun. You can't break this though. So best spot ever. And we're end zone. If it ends off here, I'm just gonna break this and just find him. See this back bling? Pretty lit back bling, I'm not gonna lie. It's a rip off of Raptor's back bling. Like, but look, it's pretty sick. It's called Color Guard. It was either between this one or the other one. It's probably gonna pop out screen right there. But low key, pretty sick, pretty sick. So the rest of the game, just camp here. Probably like 5 seconds, you guys. Ready? I'm gonna Thanos snap it away. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I should start dipping. So when you start dipping, like right now, like right now. Okay, so now I gotta get it up like this. Now we just go to that thing. Just use that. I literally just bunny hop. Whoa. Come on, bruh. It's for the vid, boys. I don't have enough mats either to fight any. So. Cranking that, like. Tifo does, like. When you 1v1 sway, he did 90s, like, floor and a ramp. That's all he did. That's pretty cool. He did them pretty fast, too. So, just double the mats instead of, like, 3 times. I do floor, and ramp. I don't do floor, ramp. Wait, wall, floor, ramp. I don't do that. I do wall, ramp. Get me off. I'm scared. I'm not sure if I'm the only one who happens to this. Wait, what? What? When I play Fortnite, I get very, very nervous, like in game. I tend to, my hands get really cold, and I shake like crazy. Like I'm like, what do you? Like, there's nothing to worry about either. It's just a game, but like, oh shoot. Okay. Watch. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Come on, man. Come on. Yo, man. We could talk about this. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think that guy came. God bless his soul. God bless his soul, boys. Yo, it depends at this point. Okay. Snake Ninja. I might have. Okay. Okay, we good. Okay, this I'm gonna break because I could literally get sniped from here. And there goes the BCC trolling, boys. So I'm just gonna chill here, up here. There's no way people. I think I'm not. I don't have the highest ground. So people over there. 10 people left. Oh, could this be the game? Could this be the game for the boys? Okay, where's the next camping spot? Probably in the house. Maybe at the edge of the like. Oh, here. Should we get there faster? Okay. That's in the zone, so I'm gonna get there now. I'm not sure if this is a good idea. Oh my freaking god, I'm so freaking scared. 8 people left. I should be scared of who the last person is. I'm so freaking scared. So, oh my god, this is so scary. I don't know if I'm gonna clutch this up for the cam. For the camera. So, right there. That's scary, brothers. Yo, chill with that sniper, bro. Oh no. Holy. Yo, that's literally what Jarvis says. Holy. Holy. Oh, it's gonna be scary. It's gonna be a good one, boys. There's a guy with a sniper. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Yo, I hope the zone's on me though. Okay, it's going up the mountain. I just got a feeling it's gonna go up the freaking mountain. Oh no! Oh no! I don't know when to go. Where's a good camping spot? Like at the edge of the freaking thing. There could be people behind me too, and I'm freaking scared, brother. Actually, I don't think there could be. Maybe this way? No way. Holy. I know there's people freaking up the mountain. That's freaking me out. It's literally freaking me out. What's those people that way too? Oh no, come on, someone just... 6 people just died. Or 5 people died, so then I could collect the other guy. Or collect me, I don't know. Okay, so I gotta move right over here. Like right over there. And try not to get killed. I'm just gonna move in with the storm. I hope if he goes up the mountain, I'm gonna freaking freak out. You freaking freak. I got literally 0 kills. Trying my freaking best to clutch this game up for the boys. Come, stop moving. I'll literally try my best to clutch this game up. If I can't, well, that's that's a rip. Am I right, boys? So they're fighting right now. That direction pretty much scares me. So I'm gonna go. I don't know where to go. Yo. Oh shoot, there's a guy right there. No, chill with that, bruh. There's a guy literally on the mountain. And he scars me for life. With the freaking sniper. Oh no, oh no, yo, that's closer, bruh. Okay, that's really close now. It's gonna be better maps, bruh. Yo, 6. Okay, I think I know what I'm just literally about to box up. Yo, I should be careful, brother. Like, lucky. Oh shit. I'm in the zone. Oh my god. Yo, check me out. Check me out. Oh no. Holy. Okay, it's going. Thin spot that I could just go through. If I could get zone first, that would be OP. Sniper would be killer right now. If I got the, oh my. Huh? Yo, chill with that! Chill with that! No ballers in the game, brother. Oh, man, shot! I gotta freaking move in. What a freaking bot. I'm not gonna do nothing. Just leave me alone. Let me move into zone. Oh no.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh, this guy!
Oh my god!
No!
Oh my fucking god!
Well, after that game, I don't know what to say. So the new gun, good, but like not getting too much luck in these games. So like, Pizza Nation. See you in the next one, I guess. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and see you in the next one.